Hey guys, welcome back to ConfermentRM YouTube Channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day getting ourselves back into the Bitcoin 2-minute technicals video that we usually do. So let's go into the chart, see what happened. You know, past 24 hours have been absolutely insane. As you can see, looks like on the 4-hour we wicked super hard right back down to an actual pinpoint, you know, the trend that we were kind of in throughout the day. We got our push up to the upside. We got to the 702. Actually got a nice note that this is what we were talking about, getting ourselves right up to the apex of this other trend. And, you know, so we got heavily rejected, came right back down, lost that support, came down to the support that was here going across, and then actually found, came right back up around the 702, got rejected again from the same trend, and putting in a lower high. So now all eyes are on this current trend to see how we fare. So looks like we can keep it like this. We're currently, you know, above all the moving averages. We just turned bullish for the 4-hour on the 20 through the 200, as well as, you know, getting ourselves above the 50 and 100-day moving averages, bouncing right off here at the 50 and kind of meandering here around 57. But it's good to see that we're above the 57 around this region. But we'll see what the volume looks like here, because that would be telltailing. And you can see, I mean, we're getting volume back in. It's more than over here, so not as much as that initial day down. But geez, it's been a washing machine today, has it not? You know, we went up, let's see, about 10% almost, and then we fell approximately. That's about the same, right? About 9, and now we're back up again from the bottom, 8.5, and sitting at 5.88 at the moment. Interesting, right? So that's kind of, so this is what we're looking at. This is what, if we're going to go even more crazy in depth, we take this high before this fall here, and actually that's what I'm going to do. We're going to get rid of this one temporarily, because even you can see right now, there's a heavy resistance there at the 28,870. We were talking about this yesterday in my video and the past couple days as well. But let's see, we'll do this high right here, do this candle body high, do this low right here. All right, okay, so this is what we got going on. So we have our kind of meandering here in below the 236, flying up, hitting the 786, coming back for support on the 236. So I can't exactly rule out that it couldn't reverse still. As you can see that this range ends on next Thursday, I believe. Actually, no, not next Thursday. So it's about 2 weeks. So you got 2 weeks in this this trend. It could go back and forth in here for about another 2 weeks. So it's a more of like a long-term kind of playing out how this is looking, because it's been very volatile within the past couple of hours. But if you were to kind of go more sideways and kind of try to gauge what's going to be going on soon, you could do a little trend line right here. You can do a little trend line on the bottom like this. You can see the bottom side is right here. Looks like it comes to around the apex around, what is this? Halfway through the day tomorrow, around 6-7 o'clock in the afternoon. You have a minimal movement of reaching up there to around 29,990, or getting a volatile move right down there to 26.9 and retesting the bottom again, which obviously would just be a clear indicator of a double top. So just giving you my ideas. At the moment, we're holding above almost all of our moving averages, holding the 20-day on the 1 hour right now. You see we got pretty overextended here on 86. So it made sense we had to come down to earth and retest again, because, you know, we had a straight up just to an 86, and it's typically only where it goes to is around 88 to 86. So 86 to 88 on the RSI over here. So getting us back down in this region. Can we find many other times where we hit up here and set its second high? I don't see one. Us coming up here and setting another high right above it. I don't see that as of late. Yeah, because most of these reverse, and they have to, you know, come back down to earth to at least around the 30 to 40 region before they fly up. So, maybe it can stall out for a little bit in here and then retest it at the bottom, kind of move to, because the only thing I can think of is getting a retest, excuse me, on the RSI, pushing here around that 30, and then getting a push back up But otherwise, you're going to be putting in just a multiple top pattern here, and then you're going to be looking for that downside. But until it strays from this pattern, I can't tell you anything different. But I hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Appreciate every single one of you. Remember, not trying to be bearish, just trying to give it to you how it is. Remember, none of it's financial advice, just my opinion on what I think is going on in the market. Have a good one, guys.